Hi folks, welcome to Masterclass. Because we've encouraged you to go beach driving with your camper in previous episode, I want to show you what you need to do after you've been driving on the beach. We need to give our camper a good clean, all over, rinse it off, get rid of any salt and sand that's still on it. Something you might want to pay particular attention to is on your hot dip gal chassis, there will be relief holes for when it was hot dip galvanized so the metal didn't explode. You want to run a bit of water up there, get any salt and sand out of it, and don't forget, once you get back home, spray all the usual bits with Lanatech as we've shown you in the past. So let's get going. There you go folks, it's that easy. For $4 and less than 10 minutes work, we've cleaned the camper, got rid of the salt and the sand, and we're ready to head home and put it in storage until our next adventure. For more great tips like this, follow us on Facebook, get every update as it happens, because the Masterclass is all about letting you escape with confidence.